Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you valuable insights into the world of technology and business. In today's video, we'll be exploring the key differences between two essential software solutions: Field Service Software and Computerized Maintenance Management System, CMMS. So, if you've ever wondered which one is right for your organization, this video is for you. Let's get started. Before we dive into the differences, let's quickly understand what Field Service Software and CMMS are all about. Field Service Software, also known as FSS, is a comprehensive solution designed to streamline and optimize field service operations. It helps businesses manage their remote workforce, track work orders, schedule appointments, and monitor job progress. FSS is particularly useful for industries such as utilities, telecommunications, and field-based service providers. On the other hand, a Computerized Maintenance Management System, or CMMS, is a software platform designed to facilitate the management of maintenance operations. It helps organizations plan, track, and optimize maintenance activities, including equipment inspections, work orders, preventive maintenance, and inventory management. CMMS is widely used in industries like manufacturing, facilities management, and transportation. Now that we have a basic understanding of both Field Service Software and CMMS, let's explore the key differences between the two. The first major difference lies in their primary focus and purpose. Field Service Software primarily focuses on managing field operations, including dispatching technicians, tracking their locations, and providing them with real-time information. It aims to enhance customer satisfaction, improve workforce efficiency, and ensure timely service delivery. On the other hand, CMMS is primarily geared towards maintenance management. It helps organizations plan and execute maintenance tasks, schedule preventive maintenance, manage spare parts inventory, and track equipment history. The goal is to maximize equipment uptime, extend asset lifespan, and reduce unplanned downtime. The second difference can be found in the features and functionality offered by each software. Field Service Software typically includes features like appointment scheduling and dispatching, real-time technician tracking, customer relationship management, CRM, integration, mobile access for technicians in the field, service history tracking, work order management, and analytics and reporting. CMMS, on the other hand, offers features such as asset management and tracking, preventive maintenance scheduling, work order management, inventory and spare parts management, equipment history tracking, reporting and analytics, and compliance tracking, e.g., regulatory inspections. The third difference lies in the user base that each software targets. Field Service Software primarily caters to organizations that provide on-site services, such as HVAC, electrical, plumbing, and telecommunications companies. It empowers their field technicians, enabling them to efficiently manage their tasks, access necessary information, and provide excellent customer service. CMMS, on the other hand, is aimed at organizations with a focus on maintenance, such as manufacturing plants, facilities management companies, and transportation fleets. It helps maintenance teams streamline their operations, reduce equipment downtime, and optimize maintenance schedules. To wrap up, both Field Service Software and CMMS serve different purposes and cater to specific industries. If your business primarily focuses on field service operations, managing a remote workforce, and delivering exceptional customer experiences, then Field Service Software would be the ideal choice for you. However, if your organization's primary concern is effective maintenance management, tracking equipment, scheduling preventive maintenance, and optimizing asset performance, then a CMMS would be more suitable. Remember, the choice between Field Service Software and CMMS ultimately depends on your specific business needs, industry, and operational requirements. That's all for today's video on the difference between Field Service Software and CMMS. We hope you found it informative and helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.